What if I told you that taking care of your brain today could help you stay sharper, more focused, and more creative for years to come? Imagine feeling more energized, less stressed, and never worrying about forgetting things like your phone password again. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to protect your brain. And it starts today. Here's a wake-up call. By the time we hit our 30s, our brains start to face challenges that can affect our memory, focus, and even our creativity. But what if I told you that the way you live right now could actually slow down or even reverse these changes? You've probably heard it before. As we age, our brains slow down, we forget more, and we start to feel foggy or less sharp. But that's not the full picture. In fact, this idea is being challenged every day by new science. It turns out your brain is much more adaptable than we once thought. It's called neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to rewire itself and make new connections no matter how old you are. So no, you don't have to just accept that your brain will start to decline. In fact, even as an adult, you can keep your brain growing new cells, new neurons, even into your 30s and beyond. Pretty cool, right? But here's the real problem. Our fast-paced lives are actually speeding up the aging of our brains. Think about it. How many of you are constantly juggling school, work, social media, and the pressure to do it all? Our brains are under a lot of stress these days. Stress is a huge culprit. When we're stressed, our bodies release cortisol, a hormone that, in excess, actually shrinks a part of your brain called the hippocampus, the region that's responsible for memory and focus. And let's be real. How many of us are getting enough sleep? Lack of sleep not only makes you tired, but also makes it harder for your brain to reset and recharge. If you're staying up late to finish assignments or scrolling through social media, your brain never gets the time it needs to recover. Even what we eat can speed up brain aging. Junk food, sugary snacks, and processed foods can cause inflammation, which damages your brain cells, making it harder for your brain to function at its best. But here's the exciting part. You can fight back. You don't have to wait until you're older to start taking care of your brain. With a few simple changes, you can keep your brain sharp, focused, and ready to take on anything. First up, exercise. Physical activity isn't just good for your body, it's incredible for your brain. Just 30 minutes of exercise a day can help your brain grow new cells, improve focus, and boost your memory. Next, fuel your brain with healthy foods. Eating things like leafy greens, berries, and fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids can protect your brain from damage. These foods help reduce inflammation, keeping your brain in top shape. Challenge your brain with something new. Whether it's learning a new skill, playing a strategic game, or solving puzzles, these activities can help keep your brain sharp and prevent cognitive decline. Now here's something even cooler. There's a protein in your brain called TIMP2 that helps keep your brain in top shape. So what exactly is TIMP2? TIMP2 stands for Tissue Inhibitor of Metalloproteinases 2. It's a protein found in your brain, especially in the hippocampus, which is the area responsible for memory and learning. TIMP2 plays a key role in maintaining the health of the brain's extracellular matrix, which is the environment around neurons. This environment is critical for your brain's ability to create new connections, process information, and form memories. But here's the thing. As we age, our levels of TIMP2 naturally decrease, which can result in memory problems and less brain plasticity. But don't panic. There's a way to help. By staying active, eating brain-healthy foods, and challenging your mind, you can. So here's the takeaway. You don't have to wait until you're older to start protecting your brain. By taking simple steps now, like exercising, eating healthy, and challenging your mind, you can keep your brain sharp and strong for decades. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Mind Hub. Together, let's keep our brains healthy and sharp, no matter what age we are.